In this video, you'll discover how to create custom portals. What are portals? Portals are your gateway to the external world. With Zoho Learn, you can create multiple branded portals, each tailored for a different audience. Keep in mind that content creation happens in the hub. Custom portals act as a window to share knowledge articles and training materials with your external users. Steps to create a custom portal. To begin, click the Settings icon at the top of the screen, then select the Settings button. Navigate to the Manage Portals option under the Custom Portals section. Click Create to start building your portal. Enter a name and description for your portal. You can choose between two types: public portals, which anyone can access via a link; private portals, which are restricted to invited users only. Select the type of portal you prefer, and click Create. Your portal is now ready. Why this is used. Explain the concept of custom portals and their role in sharing knowledge externally. Provide clear, step-by-step guidance for creating portals in Zoho Learn. Highlight flexibility by showing options for public and private portals. Encourage engagement by emphasizing the ability to reach audiences outside the organization. Have an idea or vision in mind? Share it with us, and we'll help turn it into a clear workflow with actionable next steps. DM us or comment below to get started. We will provide this in 1 hour.